create a schedule that works for you. So earlier I briefly talked about looking at charts at night and then on the weekend. That was something that worked for me and my lifestyle, but for you, if you have a lot more things going on, maybe you can only look at it on the weekends, and that's totally okay. If you have that kind of schedule and you know that you want to get into the market at a certain point, what you can do is put in a limit order for the stock that you're interested in, the amount, and then once it hit that price point, it'll automatically buy. That was something that I utilized a lot because I didn't have time to wait for the price to go to that particular point. Sometimes it would be days later when my desired price would hit and then it would automatically fill. And then sometimes it was weeks or even months, but it didn't really matter because I was looking at maybe that stock and a couple other stocks and doing the same thing. I was setting these limit orders, and then once they hit, it would automatically buy.